Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to finally breaking news. Mphasis, a top company 2026-2025 batch of campus hiring is announced and 50 openings are there. It is posted by their one-off professional. It's one of the breaking news. Guys, share this video as much as you can, so it will very helpful for every candidate who are looking for the job, because 25-26 batch, this is the great opportunity to start your career and it is 100% technical opportunity. It's not a non-tech. So like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds. Our like target is 500 plus, so must like and share the video and share this video as much as you can. First of all, I will show you Mphasis hiring for freshers IT role. Trainee intern is the position. Experience 0 to 1 year. 50 number of openings are there. Development trainee intern roles are there. You can clearly see strong knowledge of programming language such as Java, Python or JavaScript. You have to familiar. You are currently pursuing a degree means 26 batch, recently completed means 25 batch, all are eligible for opportunity. First thing, there is 100% resume shortlisting in there, so I am providing you 100 plus ATS friendly resume template so that you will also get shortlisted, and more than 54 candidates already sell this. And one thing that I have to mention, you will find professional cover letter, resume formatting guide, HR approved resume structure, everything. Okay, and you can also check the 500 plus coding question and answer of top 20 plus MNCs and more than 178 candidates. By this, we are only taking the platform charge. This is for all of you, so you guys can prepare very well. Development trainee intern designation trainee intern, they clearly mention it's related to the Mumbai Pune location. Here they mention one opening. Don't go for the website things. Here they mention 50 openings that is posted by their knowledge specialist. It's a great opportunity, guys. When you click on apply now button, so you can simply apply, and it's a refer. They clearly mention one thing, it is updated. When you click on I agree here, then you have to fill the basic details. It's one of the biggest opportunity. Don't miss. Again, I am mentioning. Okay, hiring software engineer 0 to 4 year at Bangalore location, hybrid face-to-face hiring drive. If you are interested, you can apply for opportunity. It is from one of the company, and this is from one of the company Agree supported Agreeta solution. Okay, they are hiring for junior AI ML developer role, 0 to 2 years of experience. Directly share your resume to this email ID. Junior Android developer, SQL developer, everything. Junior agri tech analyst. Okay, and guys, don't pay money for any of the hiring, because company is not charging anything related to that. Must apply for opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.